It is pitch black. Just me and my little baby light. Probably the worst conditions for product photography. Or is it? Now, long exposure photographs are stunning, and they were reserved for DSLR owners specifically because of bulb mode, where you can control how long the shutter is open. So the longer it's open, the longer the light streaks, the cooler it looks. But I'm gonna show you how to get these awesome photos with your iPhone. Step 1, find a dark room. Step number 2, find some cool products to shoot. Now, personally, I went to the grocery store and got some stuff that I could drink afterwards. Step number 3, figure out your background. Now, for me personally, I just wanted to keep it super simple. I wanted to get a plain white background for the bottom and for the back. So I went to the 99-cent store and got two for $1. I love the 99-cent store. Also, if you're feeling a little frisky, you could use a mirror, you could use some reflective surfaces, basically anything that you want. I just personally decided just to go plain, go simple, go basic with plain white backgrounds. Step number 4, get some dim lights to play around with. Now for me, I had a magnetic flashlight that was given away to me for promotional reasons. And then also I had a couple different lights from the dollar store. Those little candles that you get that imitate flickering, and they're just a little baby, little fake little tea lights. So those are the 2 lights that I was working with for this. They're dim, they're cheap, they're super simple to use. Now step number 5, shoot, and shoot some more. Now personally for me, to get some of these shots, it took hours. I took shot after shot after shot. Now with DSLRs, you can control the shutter and you can really figure out how to paint the image, but with the iPhone, it makes a lot of decisions for you. So you kind of have to go with the flow until you get something that you like. Now I'm sure there's some extra camera apps that you can purchase. I personally haven't found any affordable ones, but if I'm wrong, throw them in the comment section down below. I would love to try some new stuff. Now my process specifically was all over the place just because of how many seconds it was fluctuating with. I essentially would put the light inside the camera with the pitch black room all the way around and then click the shutter button. My sweet spot was around 8 seconds and that way I can control exactly what I wanted to do with the light. And then I could also, after I get the light off camera, you could focus the light on the front of the product, which is really important to illuminate the front and make it look good. Now, when you're light painting, you have 2 objectives. You need to paint the front light of the actual item itself, so it's very bright and in focus. And then the second is you're gonna make the light streaks. Now, whatever design that you want, you can try anything, all of things. I've seen scribbles, I've seen little circles, I've seen hearts, people spelling out names. I've seen it all. And you can choose whatever you'd like. But those are your 2 objectives while you're filming a long exposure. 1, you want to actually light the item itself, and then 2, your light streaks. This is the final and most important part. Have fun with it. Always have an idea when you're going into a photo shoot of kind of what you want to get, but never, ever hold yourself to just shooting that. Play around, have some fun, try some new different designs, which is exactly what I did, and it equaled some really cool shots. All right, now I know I teased it a little bit earlier, but here is a longer look at some of the long exposure shots that I got from the iPhone. All right, and that is all I got for today's video. I hope I encourage some of you to go out and try it yourself. I would love to see what you guys and gals have come up with. Now, if you have any questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. If you like, if you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to like, subscribe. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Peace.